In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use grid and guides for alignment. If you've ever struggled to line things up cleanly on your canvas, this will make everything faster and more precise. We'll use two built-in helpers, guides and the grid, to keep your layout tidy without guesswork. First, let's turn on guides. Go to the View menu, then choose Guides. Select Show Guides, and you'll see the default vertical and horizontal guidelines appear across your canvas. Think of these as non-printing reference lines that sit on top of your artwork. They don't affect your design content, they simply give you clear targets to align with. Now let's add your own custom guides. Look at the rulers along the top and left edges of your workspace. From the top ruler, click and drag downward to create a horizontal guide. From the left ruler, click and drag to the right to create a vertical guide. Drop each guide exactly where you want important alignment to happen. Maybe along the edge of a header, the center line of a column, or the baseline of a caption. If you need to fine-tune their position, just drag them again until they sit exactly where they're most helpful. As you move elements around, use these guides as precise visual targets so edges, centers, and baselines line up consistently. Next, let's enable the grid for quick, repeatable spacing. Open the View menu, go to Snap To, and choose Snap to Grid. With snapping turned on, objects will now automatically align to the underlying grid when you move or resize them. You'll feel a light magnetic pull as edges catch onto neat, even intervals. This is especially useful for keeping columns the same width, maintaining uniform margins, and ensuring that buttons, icons, and text blocks share consistent spacing. Try this out. Move a shape across the canvas and watch how it settles neatly on grid intersections. Then resize it and notice how the edges jump to exact increments. Pair that with your custom guides and you've got the best of both worlds. Guides for critical alignment lines you control, and a grid that keeps everything else evenly spaced. To recap the flow you'll use regularly: turn on guides from View, place custom guides by dragging from the rulers, then enable View, Snap to Grid so your moves and resizes click into place. With these two tools working together, you'll build cleaner layouts in less time, with fewer manual adjustments and a far more professional finish.